When adding or subtracting unlike fractions, such as 3 over 5 plus 4 over 7, which are fractions that do not have the same number in the denominators, the bottom number of the fractions, we first have to convert the fractions into like fractions, that is, fractions that do have the same number in the denominators. One of the easiest and quickest ways to do this is to multiply the denominators of the fractions. So, in our example, we would multiply 5 times 7, which is 35, which we know is evenly divisible by both of the denominators. We can write the conversions below. 35 in the denominator for both fractions. We had to multiply the bottom part, the denominator in the first fraction, by 7 to get 35. So we must do the same for the top part of the fraction, the numerator. And 3 times 7 equals 21. For the second fraction, we had to multiply the denominator by 5 to get 35. So again, we must do the same for the top part of the fraction, the numerator, and 4 times 5 equals 20. As a note, all we've done for both of these fractions is multiply each of them by 1. The first fraction by 7 over 7, and the second fraction by 5 over 5. And 7 over 7 and 5 over 5 are both equal to 1. Now since they have the same denominators, we can add them together, which is done by adding the numerators. So 21 plus 20 equals 41. And we keep the denominator of 35, so 41 over 35. And if you want, you can convert this to a mixed number, which is 1 and 6 over 35. We would use this same method for subtracting fractions. For instance, using the same fractions, 3 over 5 minus 4 over 7. Again, multiply the denominators, 5 times 7, to get a common denominator of 35. Then go through the same process of multiplying the numerators, and we get 21 over 35 minus 20 over 35, which equals 1 over 35. If you're adding 3 fractions, then you would do this in parts, working with the first 2 fractions, then the third fraction, as you see here in this example that I've written out. And here is an example of subtracting 3 fractions with the steps written out. Alright my friends, hopefully you got something out of this video. I do have more videos right there for you. Till next time, I am out of here.